Naka from Dominuk now in the Kondrove and Materlinks Bukuya Mangondromba. Started playing rugby career since primary school, year 8, which is class 4, and from there I didn't look back, so continue my rugby career till finish all the grades from under 9 till under 13, and went up to secondary school from under 14 till under 17. I attended Queen Victoria School, and then finish off my under 18. Rugby secondary school, under 18s in Mars Brothers High School. Then called for Suba and joined with the senior Suba team, and then come for Drua development, and this year, for the next season for the main squad. Looking back all my rugby careers, it's been a tough journey and a lot of ups and downs. But I always thank everyone besides me, especially my parents, who helped me out for all those obstacles. And challenges I just went through is since I was a little boy, I was skinny, and the position I was playing is you have to be a big boy, and even though I'm tall but still skinny, so I have to work more and work extras, so I have to go a lot more to the gyms and do more physical trainings. My goal for next season is try to play for the Drua debut, especially to debut myself, and see from there from my career. Since a little kid to don the white jersey, so yeah. Working myself up to to the young kids coming up, looking for going through the rugby career. Only one advice to you is always listen to your parents and work hard.